So maybe I will teach you one very special meditation. What is the special food in England? Shish. Fishy fishy? What's that? Fish and chips. Any good vegetarian dishes? Pardon? Chips, cheese and beans. Okay. Chips, cheese, beans. So I will teach you very special meditation. And this meditation called chips, cheese, beans. Okay. So do you want to learn? Chips, cheese, beans meditation. Quite long. Chips and beans, okay. Chips and beans meditation. So, for the chips and beans meditation, there's one rule. The one rule is you're not allowed to think of this cheese, chips and beans. Not allowed to. You can think of anything else. Fish and chips. Also, okay, you can think. You can think about pizza, hamburger, salad, potato, whatever you want. And you can even think about your past, history, future plan. Anything's okay, except cheese and beans. Chips. Cheese, chips, beans. Cannot think. Not allowed, okay? For 1 minute. If you think of 1 second, you will lose this meditation. So be prepared. So please keep your spine straight. Please close your eyes. Now relax your body and be aware of sensation in your body from head to feet. Everybody is laughing. You can watch the feeling of laughter. Okay, now the main part of meditation. So I will say 1, 2, 3. So when you hear 3, no chips, cheese, beans. 1, 2, 3. No chips, cheese, beans. If you think of this 1 second, you lost meditation, okay? Cheese, chips, beans. 1 second, you lost meditation. Don't say that. Don't think about cheese, beans, okay? Okay, done now. Now just relax. Okay, how was it? Easy or not easy? Easy, raise your hand. Not easy, raise your hand. Oh, big problem. Yeah, actually it's not easy. When you say, don't think, our mind will think. So when you say no cheese, chips, beans, then we will think about cheese, chips, beans, and many different kind of cheese, chips, beings will come. And they become more clear, more fancy, loud. Right? So when you meditate, when you say, don't think, concentration, peace, doesn't work. So many people looking for, I'm meditating and I need non-judgment state. So don't judge. Oh, judge coming. No. This is a meditation, not judge. Not judge. So then judge will come. Oh, I need to connect with heart, not head. 1, 2, 3. Heart. No. Heart. Then heart say, oh, I'm busy, You have to make appointment, then I will see whether I come or not. So, for the awareness, no need. Everything is allowed in the awareness, so it is the real, not judgment. You don't have to meditate. Judge is allowed, right? So then it's not judging. Judge is okay, not judge is okay. Heart is okay, head is okay. Everything is okay. So then that is the freedom, that's non-judgmental, and that is really connected with the deeper level of heart. The awareness is the deeper level of the heart.